Tired of all the cheap stick-on mirror caps? This complete replacement cover from APR Performance is just what you need. So here are these APR Performance mirror cap covers for S550 and S650 when you have the integrated turn signal in your side mirror cover. These things are awesome. UV protectant, hand polished, and beautiful looking carbon fiber. Now they're a complete replacement. It's not something you just stick on top. You'll actually replace your stock piece with this. Now why carbon fiber? Well, not only does it look really good, it's super strong and very lightweight. In fact, back on the 2018 Steeda Silver Bullet, it was one of the very key components that we used to get that vehicle into the 9s. Did the carbon fiber hood, saved 8 pounds. Carbon fiber deck lid, that saved another 12 pounds. So there's a lot of components. Doors, like I said, deck lids, hoods, mirror cap covers that can be replaced with carbon fiber, and like I said, super strong, super lightweight, and it looks great also. Now APR makes a host of not only replacement parts, but add-on parts. The HPDE car that we did out of Texas, splitter, rear wing, all those components were from APR. Not only super high quality, but they look great too. And as with anything, weight's the enemy of performance. So if you could reduce the weight, which these might only be a couple ounces, it's still gonna give you better performance at the end of the day. So not all carbon fibers create equally. Some carbon fiber is actually fiberglass with just a film of carbon fiber over top to make it look like carbon fiber. That's not what APR does. This carbon fiber is pre-impregnated, meaning it is vacuum cured in an autoclave, which gives it superior durability and strength to weight ratio, which means there's no fiberglass here. It's made right here in the United States, which means it doesn't get any better than that. This is high-end stuff, and that's what's gonna give you a factory-like fit and finish. Now to show you how easy it is to install, let's go in the back and install them on a brand new 2024 Mustang. Here are the tools required for the job. A plastic pry tool or a flathead screwdriver and some painter's tape. Get a pry tool in between the painted mirror cap and the plastic surrounding. You'll want to carefully pry out and up with tension against the inside of the factory mirror cap. Work your way along the bottom and it should pop right off. Grab the APR replacement and get it lined up, and press evenly to clip it into place. Make sure everything lines up all around the edge before firmly securing it against the mirror. As you can see, these are very durable, and you'll want to make sure they click into place. You'll want to make sure this gap around the top is even all the way across. If not, a slight little nudge should do the trick. Then repeat the process on the other side, and your installation is now complete. As you can see, installation was super easy. Maybe just lay some painter's tape on the painted surfaces to make sure you don't scratch anything, but all in all, super easy installation, and I'll be honest, these things look a lot better than I thought. So if you want any more information, you want to pick yourself up a pair, visit Steeda.com. Follow us on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And remember, Steeda, where speed matters.